Hello Lockaholics, this is Subsonic 1050 and today I have something special here. I have a package that was sent to me by the infamous Bosnian Bill, and I had actually sent him a message on YouTube because he had picked a Lockwood cylinder, and I said, hey, I have some Lockwoods very similar to the cylinder that you just picked, but with a much more evil keyway. And the keyway that he had looked fairly standard. This is the one that I have, and you can see how unbelievably evil that is. It's very narrow, with all sorts of wording going on there. So I sent him a message saying, hey, I'd love to send one of these to you. To which he replied that he was going to be getting a boatload of Lockwoods and other assorted Australian locks from, I believe it was Lucas Merendi, and he said, so maybe I'll send you some stuff. So certainly wasn't expecting that, but extremely kind of him. He's been very kind to me in a couple of other instances as well. I had asked him for some advice and information on a few different things. So very happy to receive this package from him. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have in here. Alright. Wow, this is quite the assortment of stuff in here. Okay, we have this master lock. This is one of those lockout locks. I actually just saw his video picking this. I believe, I'm sure it was this exact lock. I know it was sent to him by Flywheel. So we have an ace cylinder here. And it looks like this one came from Relic 67. I believe I saw that video as well. Here we have an older American 5200. Don't believe that one has keys for it. We have, oh, this is awesome. I saw him pick this as well. This is Flywheel's challenge cylinder. So in a roundabout way here, I'm getting some more stuff from Flywheel. I just did a trade with him through keypicking.com recently, so very glad to be receiving that. Another Relic 67 cylinder. I'm assuming that's also a challenge lock. We have an FAB. Oh, this is an Assa Abloy Euro cylinder, and let's see, a Wink House. That's an interesting name. Wink House Euro cylinder. And then on top of all that, we've got this Victorinox box here with, look at that, we have a Swiss Army knife in here to top the whole thing off. Wow. Extremely generous bill. So thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and try to pick one of these things, as long as, let's see, what do I want to attempt here? Let's see. Want to get something that I think I might actually be able to get. Let's go ahead and try this. I do the master lock, but I'm pretty sure I'd be able to get that one. Want to try something kind of challenging. Let's go ahead and try Flywheel's challenge lock here and see if we can get into that. Which I've probably screwed myself. Now I probably need to spend a few more minutes with this thing before I go ahead and try to do it on camera. But let me bring my camera down here. Sorry, it might take me a second here to get this oriented and set up. Alright. I think that's going to be too large. Let's go ahead and see if... Okay, I'm going to use top of the keyway tension, and we'll start off with sort of a standard hook here. I'm assuming there's a bunch of high-low, so we'll see what happens. Okay, pin 1 I've gotten several clicks out of. I think I have enough room in here. I'm going to go to, let's see if I can go to a steeper hook here. I believe this is just a 5-pin lock, but full of evil stuff. Feel kind of like I wish I had a pick here that was even more aggressive. Let me see if I can grab one here. Alright, I've got kind of a steeper hook here. No problem with access in this keyway, especially using top of the keyway tension here. Alright, I've probably overset something. Okay, I think I actually may have just dropped down into a bit of a false set there. Is it pin 2? Alright, lost the false set. Alright, I'm going to use a bit heavier tension here. Not really getting much of anything. Just realized I was zoomed all the way in, or zoomed part way in. I'm going to start over. Okay, I've got a deep false set here. Pin 1 had to be pushed all the way up. Got counter rotation on 3. Oh, and there it is, picked open. Alright, this is already at 11 minutes with all the unboxing stuff. So I apologize, this video has gone a bit long here, but let's go ahead and gut this thing just so you can see what's going on in this very cool little lock. Come on. There we go. You know, in a previous video I said I liked the way this detent system worked, and usually I do, but sometimes it's kind of a pain. Alright. I almost locked that back up. Okay, pin 1. Oh, I remember this now from Bill's video. These key pins have like one little serration on them designed to catch the shear line, and these do indeed have that. So it is 5 pins. Get my tweezers here. Okay, pin 1 is this very awesome serrated looking pin. Pin 2 is similar to that, just with fewer serrations. Pin 3, kind of like a one serration or slash spool looking thing. And pin 5, or excuse me, that's pin 4, several serrations. And then pin 5 is sort of like a double spool. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at those here. So hopefully you can see that. We've got like one serration on all the key pins except for 5 is actually a standard pin. And then these very cool, give you a close-up, very cool drivers, very well made. Especially I remember Bill explaining how Flywheel said he kind of made these in his garage with some hand tools. So very well done, Flywheel. Bosnian Bill, I can't thank you enough for sending me this excellent package full of locks, and you'll be seeing more videos as I pick through these. Alright, thanks very much, Bosnian Bill, and thanks everyone else for watching.